Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Southern Boone County. This used to be where my roots ran out. I'd come down here running spark routes, groceries and dry goods to front porches up these creekside roads, and then the last stop would clear and I'd turn around, head back north. Same thing every time. This was the bottom of the map. Funny what a route does to your sense of a place. It draws a line around your world whether you mean it to or not. Everything inside the line is yours. Everything outside it is just somewhere else. Boone County is named after Daniel Boone, which tells you something about how people thought of this country, wild enough that it needed a frontier legend's name to make it feel official. That was 1847. By 1880, the coal companies had arrived, and by 1920, every ridge in this county had a mine on it, and every valley had a company town at the bottom. The railroads came in right behind the coal. They didn't come for the scenery. When the coal thinned out, the companies left. The railroads pulled up the tracks. The towns are still here, smaller, quieter, but still here. You can read the shape of it and how the roads run. They follow the old railroad grades, follow the creek beds, follow the seams. Nobody planned them, the land planned them. I'm on different routes now. New job, US PAC, and it's sending me places my spark runs never did. Huntington, Wayne County, Fort Gay, all the way to the Kentucky line. The map I thought I knew had a whole other half to it. So I came back down here on purpose, drove the bottom of the old map before I went further, wanted to see it differently now that it's not the edge anymore, it's just a place on the way to somewhere else. Turns out it's a pretty good place. Wasn't looking at it right before. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.